Hey, welcome to the course. So this is a very quick personal thank you for joining me on this course. I know you're going to enjoy it. It's hands-on. We're not messing around. We're not spending the first 5 hours getting it set up locally. This is one-click install, one-click get started, AI development that's going to blow your socks off. What I'm also going to add is an extra special module on Daffodil. So Daffodil was only something I've actually found 2 days ago. Was introduced it by Damien, one of the founders and sort of core developers of it. I read the website, kind of had a quick look for the docs. If I'm honest, I didn't really get it. It wasn't until I actually started using it. He helped me get set up. I started building it with an AI development tool, and my mind was absolutely blown. I'm not even exaggerating to say this is like next level. This is development in the future. I've been doing web development now for 20 years. I've seen a lot of change. AI's obviously came out with a load of hype. AI development with tools like Builder.io, Fusion, and then now Daffodil. Combine those two together, it's accelerated extreme programming. But yeah, so let me give you a very quick demo of Fusion with Daffodil for an e-commerce development. Right. So it's a project I started literally Friday. It's now Sunday. So in the time it's taken me to understand what Daffodil is, I hadn't actually used Fusion in full before, so exactly how to use Fusion, how to connect them both together. So in 2 coding sessions since Friday, the site that I've built isn't just a kind of tweak of a theme. It's built the entire front end, and yeah, it's quite incredible. Okay, so this is Fusion. It gives you a full interactive responsive design preview of the website. We've got SEO URLs, you got in-page CTAs, so it's a bit about Daffodil, contact form page, categories, newsletter sign up, you've got full toast notifications. As I said, this isn't, you got a cart. This isn't something that existed and I've tweaked. We built every single page and every single element in that time, in those 2 sessions. And look at the speed of this thing, it's crazy. So add that to cart, view that, add that to cart. Look, the cart's not even closing. Right. And then after all that, let's switch it. We don't like dark mode, let's go light. So you've now got full light mode. Related products. We've got, let's view the cart, it's cart, everything's like sticky cart, cart upsells, and then we've got the checkout. Obviously it looks very much like the Shopify checkout, but like the productivity is off the chart. Okay, so let's look at the responsive. This will give you a very quick demonstration of how you actually develop with Daffodil and Fusion. So looking at this, kind of from tablet onwards, the menu just doesn't really work. So let's move myself out of the way. Fix the main menu on tablet and mobile. Add a burger menu on mobile. Keep the cart visible. That's all I'm going to give it. Like, if you want, you can kind of select an element, kind of just so it knows exactly what you're talking about, but you get to understand what it's gonna understand and what it's gonna kind of struggle with. Tell it to fix the main menu, it understands what a main menu is. So we can actually see the code. So this is the code for the site. So you've got pages, you've got shared elements, footer, newsletter, kind of exactly as you'd expect. And then you've got your core pages, your product list, your cart, your product page. And then these are some of the components, product details, product list. And then you've got drivers. So I'll show you how to connect to Magento. This is currently using some Faker data. which is why we're not getting the speed. It's pretty fast, but we know it can be faster. Like, it is just incredible. And we got MCPs. So for example, I pushed it live with Netlify with just a simple integration and telling it to launch the site. We've now got a full Netlify URL to view the site. I'll show you how that looks. I'll add a search. I'll show you how easy it's going to be to search. So it's now done. It's made the changes. So let's have a look. There we go. Desktop's fixed. So look at tablet. Nice. Menu. Nice. And mobile. Menu. Nice. So there we go. Let's send a pull request. That will then throw them changes to GitHub. It will also push it to Netlify, rebuild the production site once I merge this pull request. Add a burger menu, keeps the cart visible, ensures desktop navigation displays correctly without going off page. There's all the changes, full pull request, ready to review. So we can see that it's updated the navigation, it's added the burger menu. It's added the toggle functionality. So those changes took fully done in 12 minutes, 5 commits, so you can view the individual changes. I'm happy with that. Send it for a review and merge. That'll then go live. So this is the Netlify production version. So definitely recommend checking out Daffodil. It's got some super awesome tools. The benefits are, it's basically the building blocks of a Magento front end, but without any opinionated view on how that front end should look. You then use AI and Angular React to build out that front end, and AI kind of knows exactly how to use that, how to do it the best way. Obviously with you in control, I wouldn't just write a prompt and build me an e-commerce site, because it's not going to come out great. But if you sit there and say, right, I want a skeleton loader that doesn't look crap, I want to add cart that shows on hover, and I want checkout that loads instantly in the cart, and I want it dark mode and light mode supported, you will get that. And yeah, it's crazy. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed that. I hope you kind of see the power that these tools are going to be giving us. So yeah, more to come.